So Exclusive Beauty Club has these amazing gifts or stocking stuffers. You can give this as a gift or you can get one for yourself, which I'm so excited about this one. Mine is the Sensitive Skin Kit. So let's open her up. I love these bags. Every time I get one of these, I just love them. They're nice, reusable Ziplocs here. Ooh, comes with a beautiful Exclusive Beauty Club headband. I love the new color, so pretty. Then we have, oh, this is one of my favorite sunscreens. This is from Colorescience. This is completely translucent. It's beautiful. It makes the skin look so pretty, but it is completely safe for all skin tones, skin types, and colors. So pretty. It's one of the best sunscreens, honestly. Oh my gosh. And then love this cleanser. This is the Obagi Gentle Cleanser. Amazing for sensitive skin and will even remove makeup and mascara. Just love this guy. Then let's see what else is in store. We have Dermal Repair Cream from Skinmedica. This is a beautiful, deeply hydrating moisturizer that is just so pretty and luxurious. And then we have the Hydrating Serum from PCA. This is a beautiful hydrating serum that is great for anyone with sensitive skin, and it's also going to help just calm the skin down. And then we also have this beautiful calming and soothing moisturizer that just looks incredible. This also came with the cutest Skinmedica. These are little cleansing facial washcloths. They are microfiber. They look so cute. Oh, and they even come with a little wash bag, so you can use it because you should always use a new fresh towel every time you wash your face. Oh my gosh, how cute. They have a little thing so you can just go in and you can wash your face with this guy. Beautiful. What an amazing gift to receive or to get for yourself. Let me show you all of the beautiful products that I have in my stocking stuffer sensitive skin kit from Exclusive Beauty Club. So first off, it comes with that beautiful headband so we can get ready to do our skincare routine. And I love this reusable bag. And now we're going to go in with the Obagi Gentle Cleanser. We must do a little dance for it. I love this cleanser because it is super gentle, great again for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. It gently removes makeup, oil, impurities, and leaves the skin feeling clean, fresh, and not stripped in any way. I love that my skin feels clean after this product, but like I said, does not feel dry in any way whatsoever, like a lot of other harsh cleansers on the market make my skin feel. Then we get to use the Skinmedica microfiber cleansing facial cloths, which are so velvety soft. They're safe around the eyes and they're so great to pat the skin dry, or you can also use them to remove any eye makeup or any makeup left on the face. You could also put your cleanser on them. They are just beautiful. Now we're going to go in with the Hydrating Serum from PCA. This is a beautiful blend of specialized antioxidant and moisture binding ingredients that leave the skin feeling soft, plump, and hydrated. This is best for all skin types, but most importantly, sensitive skin or those that are feeling like they need additional hydration. I love that this product also has sodium hyaluronate, which holds 1,000 times its weight in water, playing an important role in the skin's hydration. This also has the sodium PCA, which also holds 250 times its weight in water. Now we're going in with a full size of the Zerafite moisturizer. This is soothing and calming. It's great for dry, sensitive skin. It also contains this multi-emulsion technology, which is composed of ceramides, fatty acids,
and cholesterol that helps strengthen the skin's barrier, shield the skin from irritations, and also prevents the skin from losing its own moisture barrier. It is beautiful. Then we're going in with the beautiful Dermal Repair Cream from Skinmedica. This improves hydration with hyaluronic acid, is ideal for normal to dry skin, and also defends the skin against free radicals. Dry skin easily loses moisture, which gives the skin a lackluster and dull appearance. What I love about this moisturizer cream is it helps plump the skin and allows the skin cells to hold on to moisture. This also helps fill in fine lines and wrinkles, giving the skin a smooth, supple texture. This also has antioxidants to help defend the skin against free radical damage and against signs of aging. Next, we're going to go in with one of my tried and true sunscreens. I've used this for a very long time since they've launched it. This is a nano zinc technology. It's completely translucent and it is beautiful. It is a mineral-based sunscreen. This will match all skin types and tones, so you don't have to worry about it leaving a white cast whatsoever. It blends in seamlessly, as you can see, and it just gives the skin this beautiful satin glow with never irritating my skin or clogging my pores, because my skin definitely runs on the sensitive side, and I love the sunscreen so much. I can wear it every single day and have no issues whatsoever.
And that was all the products from the exclusive Beauty Club Stocking Stuffers Sensitive Skin Kit. I am obsessed. My skin feels so good, so hydrated. I love all of the products, and you are getting them at such a good value and a good deal. So if you're looking for a gift for yourself, or if you're looking for a gift to give any of your loved ones, this is a great place to go. And I love that they have it sorted by skin type, so then you can really pick and customize something that is curated for them or you.